just before 6 AM and we're all about ready to set off on Everyone Rides to Skeggy. So it's quite a lot of people, to be honest. It's quite a few people that I know, so that's nice. Always nice to see. And it's not too cold, it's dry, and it's just starting to get light, which is nice. So I'm actually really excited, like giddy, excited, nervous, just want to get pedalling. So yes, we will be setting off very shortly. I really hope you can see this, but all you can see ahead is a stream of flashing cyclists, like just flashing backlights. I love this, love it.
I don't think I've been there through there the same way twice.
So much. First stop, and we're going to set off now. I've just got our stamp, and then we're going to get loads of other people still coming in there. My mates are over there, it's in that little corner. So it's been chatting to a lovely guy. First 50k is all about PvP. It's just, that's Paris, just love it. Everyone is sticking together. It's just like a really good, I'm loving it, absolutely loving it already. I'm so excited. And the weather's nice, it's quite dry. Roads are good. Yeah, all good. Very excited. Very, very excited to be doing it. Say hello! How are you finding it?
Oh, well, it's the first one I've done this year.
Is it?
Yes, so I'm taking it very steady.
It's a quite a long one to do the first one back.
Well, I'm kind of used to it. I'm a seasoned, so basically I know how to pace it.
That's good.
So I'm going to take it very steady and
we'll be riding along with you then. What's your name again?
Aaron.
Aaron, I'll remember that.
I'm the odd character. I'll explain later.
I think we're all odd. I think we're all a bit odd, to be honest. Right, I'll see you in a sec. This ride is amazing. Done about 90k-ish. Hope you can hear me because of the wind. Look at this. Just beautiful. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing route. Usual 100k treat. So we've done 97k. The sun is out and we've just all had a little snack break, and then we're going to stop at 150k and actually sit down and have some food. So yeah, it's pretty good. Great route, enjoying it, feeling good. I mean 100k, it's because it's been flat, it's just kind of felt, well, it's gone really fast. I guess the k's rack up quite quickly. Yeah, see you shortly. Oh, another rider coming in. So we're almost into Skeggy now. Sorry, I just had some licorice. So we're about 140k in. It's going so fast, I can't believe it, because there's no hills. It's just going really quickly. So just mooching along, just chatting to loads of different people. And we've got loads more riders coming in now. So we're at this cafe, going to get our book, just had a book signed, book stamped. So going to get some orange juice, have a Cliff Bar. Just loving it, just loving life, loving cycling. It's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. The weather, we are so lucky. It's quite warm. I've just put my jacket back on, but it is quite warm and it's not raining and the wind's not too bad. Because I think because it's quite open and flat, the worry was that you're going to get a really bad headwind. I mean, we've not set off back yet, but I've just heard one of the other women cyclists who's just set back off. According to BBC Weather, the wind is going to move around and then come behind us and basically just push us all the way home. So that would be pretty nice if that's the case. But yeah, 140k in, enjoying it, loving it. Gonna go and sit back in and chat to my new friends. That's that. And I was gonna say that's the main thing that I really love about audax is you just meet people, and because you're riding with them, you just learn so much about them. You're just chatting all day. It's just the best way to learn about other people, make friends. I've been chatting to this one guy since we set off. Tell me all about PvP. I think I mentioned this before, but I'm like, oh my god, I'm just racking his brain. I'm just like asking him every little question that there is about PvP. It's just amazing. And so many people here have already done it, so just great people to surround yourself with. Right, I'm gonna go. So there you can see we're basically going back that way, and the wind is turning to push us back home. Woohoo! I'm just having a bit of Cliff Bar. That's where we are now, just a little bit to Skegness. We're at Skegness! Let's go! I like a good hill.
Oh yes.
I want to have a look at the sea now. This is the closest. Oh god, we have to get up there. And we're at the seaside. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we should get a picture. Amazing. No, it's alright. You know, it's nice sights. Sutton on Sea Spa. I'm probably covered in snot and muck and dirt, but I just love audaxing. It is the best pastime. We're just about to hit 200k. And apart from my nose feeling really sore, I feel very good. So I've just got like 100k left, fairly flat. I don't know why I was so nervous and so worried. This is audax style eating. Sandwich in back pocket. Easy access. Now at around 235k, which officially makes it my longest ever ride, so that's pretty exciting. So I've got about 65 to go, which is like all good. I've got like a few little aches, I guess, but legs feel fine. Gonna get some more food from Co-op. That's pretty much it. It's been a really nice day out. The weather's been nice. It's not been too windy. Been a little bit windy. And everyone's like, that's not windy, Katie. That is not windy. But it was a little bit windy, I thought. And that's all there is to say really. I just feel pretty sprightly still. I feel pretty strong. Legs feel good. Some really nice, friendly people riding it, as always. But yeah. Like I say, the only complaint is this little red nose. It's a little bit sore still.
I didn't even take them out, John. You know what I mean?
There is no way. No way.
About 20k to go, so nice and steady roll back into the control. So pretty, like the sky is pink and it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Oh, no, we've got
Final time. Stop that. 301 kilometres. Gotta make sure I save it. So that is the end of a 300k ride. I am feeling so excited and just so happy and just like feel alright. I think it is definitely because I've done the hilly 200. This felt like quite steady and quite okay. And look what I treated myself to. I spent a whole £1. I don't normally buy things like this, but I had to buy this today. How amazing is this? My first 300 badge. Very happy with that. Very proud of myself. And I guess it says on to the 400, which will be here again in about a month. So maybe I'll be doing the 400 then. We shall see. But thank you for all your lovely supportive comments, and especially like the people on the ride today, because everyone was just so lovely. Genuinely, if you've not tried an audax, you have to try an audax because they're just the best people, the best routes, best rides, just amazing. So right, I'm gonna go back and get some food, have a shower and get an early night, because I thought I'd be riding till about midnight and it's only about 9:30, so job's a good one. Bye! See you later! Yeah. Well done!
188 miles.
Well done!
Me too.